begin with the last part of the sporocarp, that is sori of the sporocarp, when we are going to have a horizontal longitudinal section of the sporocarp, this is what we are going to see. That is, if the sporocarp is cut in this manner, this is how it is going to reveal. At the beginning, we have this dark color structure, which is nothing but a dorsal bundle. Now, dorsal bundle is a part of a vascular supply of the sporocarp, which we have discussed in detail. So, just beneath the dorsal bundle, we have this mucilage ring. Now, from where this mucilage ring came into existence is, this is a picture of the wall of the sporocarp, which is made up of 3 different layers, that is epidermis followed by 2 hypodermis. Inner to the hypodermis, we have a parenchymatous region. The cells in this parenchymatous region are filled with gelatin. This gelatin is going to absorb water and it is going to form these mucilage ring, which are situated above and below. Just beneath this upper mucilage ring, we have these elongated structures. These elongated structures are nothing but sori. So, this is actually surrounded by a thin delicate membrane called as indusium. Each elongated structure is surrounded by a thin delicate membrane called as indusium. Inside this sorus, what we have is presence of the sporangium, both megasporangium as well as microsporangium. The arrangement of this sporangium is in a basipetal manner. In the sense, the largest sporangium, obviously it is a megasporangium. It is present or arranged at the top, where at the base you can find 2 microsporangium here. So we have at the top megasporangium, followed by at the base there is a presence of microsporangium. Now these mega as well as microsporangium are present on the receptacle. On the receptacle at the top we have megasporangium. At the lateral side base we have this microsporangium. To these receptacle, these dark color points, these are nothing but placental bundle. Placental bundle is again a part of a vascular supply. These placental bundle are supplied in the receptacle. On the receptacle, we are going to have these microsporangium at the base, and the top we have the megasporangium. At the end again we have this mucilage ring. These mucilage ring play a vital role during the dehiscence of the sporocarp. So this was a description regarding the horizontal longitudinal section of the sporocarp. Thank you.